Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Dildaxanova Saltanat Userievna, in English teacher, Shymkent Transport College of the Kazakh Academy of Transport and Communications, named after M. Tanshpayev. Well, let's start today's lessons. Today's lessons, personal pronouns. What is the personal pronouns? The personal pronouns, some pronouns are called personal pronouns. They have a number of forms inside it, different persons, numbers, and classes. The personal pronouns are listed over your hands, credit cards. I, me, you, we, use they, them, he, him, it, she, her. The next pictures, I, you, he, we, use they. The next pictures, for example, personal pronouns. I like him, he likes me. He and I both like, her and she likes you. We like them, they like you too. I hope like you. We like you. The next picture opened. Just a moment. The next picture, these pronouns replace a noun or nouns in their named part of sentences. You is used for both singular and plural nouns. It is used for animals and inanimate things. For example, I am Mr. Brown, following me. The next pictures open it. The next picture, personal pronouns, possessive pronouns. I, my, you, your, he, his, she, her, it, its, we, our, they, their, plus a noun, car, and dog. For examples, I see you. These pronouns, I. The next picture, subject pronouns and the object pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Me, you, them, her, it, use, your, them. Okay. Well, the next pictures, pronouns. The next pronouns. The pictures, person pronouns, subject pronouns. Point over points, first person, second person, and third persons. Subject pronouns I, we, he, she, it, they, you. Object pronouns me, use, you, he, her, it, they. A pronoun is a word that used inside of a noun. I, he, it, they, you, she, we. The next pictures translate Kazakh. Pronouns есімдік. Personal pronouns jikteu есімдік. I, мен, you, сен, he, she, it, ол, we, біз, you, сіз, they, олар. Me, маған, you, саған, him, оған, it, оған, you, сізге, them, оларға. The next picture, personal pronouns. Peter is the bathroom. He is in the bathroom. This pronoun, Peter, noun, he. The next picture, open it just a moment. For examples, pronoun. Jack and Mary come to tea. Jack is here, he, and Millie, she. The next picture is home task. Complete with the correct personal pronoun and the possessive adjective. For examples, this is my friend Sally. She is a student and she is 11 years old. This is her house. These pictures, for examples, homework, home task. So, today's lessons, do you understand? Well, the end lessons. I was wish you see you soon. Goodbye.